In Kerala, the Bharatiya Janata Party, we have alliance with 4 parties. Number 1, BDJS. The second party is AIDMK. The third is JRS led by Janna and Kamraj Congress, that is 4th party. Kamraj Congress with the BJP symbol. We have alliance with all 4 parties. And we are going, BJP will be contesting in 115 seats alone. BJP will be contesting in 115 seats, and rest of the seat out of 140 left out to be 25 seats around, that will be left to the 4 parties. Many senior leaders are contesting from BJP symbol in the Kerala. A large number of senior leaders, they are joining from LDF and UDF to the Bharatiya Janata Party. Because there is huge corruption in the government, you all know the kind of corruption has reached at the level in the office of the Chief Minister, you all aware of. Lot of celebrities and professionals in Kerala, they have also joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. And they are continuously joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. Our state president, Sri K. Surendran will be contesting from 2 assembly constituencies. One, Manjeswaram in Kasaragod district, and second is Konni, that is in Pathamthitta. Yes. So he is contesting from 2 constituencies, one Manjeswaram and second is Konni, our K. Surendran. Metroman, whose name is Metroman, whose name is well known to every Indian, Dr. E. Sridharan, will be contesting from Palghat. Palakkad. In Malayalam, it is called Palakkad. Yes, you can say Palakkad also. From there. And by joining him, there is a big boost in the BJP Karyakarta and public there. Former State President Sri Kummanam Rajasekaran, he will be contesting from Nemon constituency. And senior leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party, P.K. Krishnadas, he will be contesting from Katakada. C.K. Padmanabhan will be contesting from Dharmadam constituency. Rajya Sabha MP and famous person, Mr. Suresh Gopi. Suresh Gopi will contest from Thrissur. And Sri Alphonse Kannatharam will contest from Kanjirapalli. He will contest from there. Yes. Or Suresh Gopi will contest from Thrissur. And a very well-known academician, retired Vice Chancellor, Dr. Abdul Salam. Dr. Abdul Salam, he is also contesting from Tirur. TIRUR. Now, one seat is there, Manawadi. That is a ST reserve seat. First tribal engineer, Manikuttam, he will be contesting from there. सीट का नाम है, सीट का मानववाड़ी, मानतावाड़ी, हाँ. ओके. और श्री कृष्ण कुमार will contest from Thiruvananthapuram Central, and former DGP Dr. Jacob Thomas IPS will be contesting from Iranjalkuda. Okay, so now with these number of the celebrities, the retired vice chancellor, IPS officers, and over and above the metro man, all big personalities, they have joined the Bharatiya Janata Party and they are contesting from BJP symbol under the leadership of the most popular person, Mr. Narendra Modi ji. And we hope and we are confident that we are going to get very good number of seats to form the government there.